Okay, here's another little video of Haidan Smith. We have got the windvane going. This is because we didn't have a garbage bag handy. We didn't have any fabric, so Haidan has put an old sail bag over the frame of the windvane, and it is working. It's a thing of beauty.
Pretty good. I mean,
self-steering.
Could be better, I guess.
Self-steering is a wonderful thing. We'll give a little closer look at this windvane. There we go. Yes, indeed. Oh yeah. Is this Gore-Tex, Haidan?
No, it's some other fancy space-age material.
Yeah.
What do we call it, polyester? Something like that?
Anti-ester? Yeah, it's working like a charm. Oh, well.
I thought ester was some sort of sense smell thing, right?
Here's the linkage.